Good evening, everyone. Inform everyone to join as soon as possible. Happy Diwali in advance, everyone. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Advance Diwali. Okay. Advance Diwali. Happy Diwali. Chalo, we'll start the class, please. Science नहीं है, science तो है ना. Maths is also science, life science. Okay, we'll start the class fast. Now listen, children, surface area and volume. Some of the questions we are going to do. I hope everybody is there. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Vishwa is there. Inform children to join as fast as possible. This is not good. In festival also, I am keeping classes, so you please understand that. So all the formulas we have done today. See, last class we have done formulas till. I think we have done formulas till which part? We have done formula till. I think we have done formula till cylinder, na hollow cylinder. In hollow cylinder part, something was missing, na. We have done volume. We have done total surface area was missing. Yes, total surface area was missing. Yeah, total surface area was missing. Hollow cylinder. In that hollow cylinder section, yeah, in hollow cylinder section, total surface area part we didn't discuss. We need to discuss total surface area part. After that, yes, yeah, I didn't complete that day. I had to complete that part. The rest of that, what part was there? I think. Wait, we'll start. Yeah, we were discussing about hollow cylinder. In that, yeah, we didn't finish that one. We had to finish that one. पता नहीं तुम बनाओ दिवाली. Now listen. So first work what we are going to do here is we are going to finish this section. After that we are going to talk. Now listen. First is hollow cylinder. First volume we have discussed. We discussed about the volume part, and second we are going to talk about the curved surface area and total surface area. Thank you for liking the class. Inform first in the group to join as fast as possible because I'm going to start teaching. Please inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Then I will start teaching. Hello? Live class. Live class. Yeah, question I will give. No problem. Question I will give. But before that, I just need to, yes. Volume section I didn't complete. Is it so? I didn't complete volume section. Now look a bit. A volume is what? You know that volume is area into height. So when somebody will be asking you about volume, what answer you are going to give? So just check that one out. If somebody will be asking you about height, first so in your respective group, say them to join as fast as possible. You say, ma'am came. Yeah. R minus R, I discussed about the width. Mahalakshmi, good evening. So now I discussed about the width, and after that, discussing about the width, next part what I had to discuss is I need to discuss about the volume part, correct now? So volume is equal to pi r square h. So here height remains the same. What is changing is, yes, Ilavarsan, good evening, beta. Everyone, good evening. Okay, shall we start the class, please? Yeah. I'm starting. So now look here. So what work we are going to do here is volume part. If somebody will be asking you how you are going to answer that volume section, volume is equal to pi r square h minus pi r square h. So that means what? The pi r square h is the volume of the outer region, and the pi r square h, that is, this one is the volume of the outer region, and pi r square h, this one is the volume of the inner region. So this outer minus inner will give you the volume of the hollow part. Outer minus inner will give you the volume of the hollow part. That's exactly that volume of hollow cylinder. Okay. So volume of hollow cylinder part is important. Now what we are going to do is, the second section what we are going to start is, we need to understand about the curved surface area and total surface area. Okay. So curved surface area and total surface area, how we are going to find? So curved surface area is, so I'm just going to start curved surface area. So if somebody will be asking you about curved surface area, how you are going to say curved surface area? So curved surface area is 2 pi RH minus 2 pi RH. So see, look here, 2 pi RH, because you see, you need to go for the inner part. Okay. So if you are painting the inner region, that is the inner outer part plus inner part, that is the curved surface area. How we are going to remember? See, curved surface area means inner part of the cylinder and outer part of the cylinder. So inner part of the cylinder and outer part of the cylinder, both you are going to paint now, and that is the curvical region. So since curvical region we are going to include, so curved surface area will be 2 pi RH minus 2 pi RH. That's the curved surface area part. I hope you might have understood this section. Come on, children, did you understood this part? So curved surface area will be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH. That is the curved surface area. Okay, I'll go slow. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH. Done? So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH. That is the inner and outer part. So 2 pi RH, आपका पढ़ाया हुआ अब दिमाग में जाता है. Thank you so much. Whatever I'm teaching, it is coming in your brain. That's very good. Okay, fine. That's nice. It is coming in your brain. So now I'm going to talk about surface area and volume. Okay, fine. I have informed all the groups. Children are exactly not there today. What is this? Welcome, Miss G. Nice. Now look here. So what we are going to do is curved surface area we need to find. Thank you for liking the class. So here curved surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH is the inner section and 2 pi RH is the outer section. So inner section plus outer section will be coming as 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH. This work is over. This is called as curved surface area. And if somebody will be asking you about total surface area, so what you are going to talk about? Total surface area. So total surface area is this base and this base. So this base is what? Pi r square h, and this bar, so total base will be na pi r square h, pi r square h. This will become the area of this width. This will become the area of this width. And how many are there? 2 are there. So this one will become pi r square h minus pi r square h. So this two total 2 are there, and curved surface area is there. Hi sir, both the sir. Happy Diwali. Now look here. So total surface area is there. So when total surface area will be there, so total surface area, hello sir, total surface area will be there. So when total surface area, somebody will be asking you at that time, what you are going to write? Curved surface area plus area of both the base. Up and down bases are there, that both. मिस ये चैप्टर पढ़ा लिया हूँ, क्वेश्चन करिए ना. See, first I need to give you content, after that only na. So when we will be not understanding the, see, other students are not knowing na, so I have to explain them also, and then I can start. That's not a problem. So now look here, curved surface area will become what? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r h plus this section, these two will be there. That will be coming as total surface area. That will be coming as total surface area. So total surface area, you make it simple, 2 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. This will become the total surface area. Jotam, are you there in the group? That will become the total surface area. That contents are exactly written. So here 2 pi rh plus 2 pi rh, 2 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. I hope you might have understood. Yes. So 2 pi rh plus 2 pi rh, 2 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. So this will become the total surface area. Kavya, everybody, those who are there in the group, come on, say yes, I am in the group, so that I can understand who and all are there in the group. Fine. Now listen. So here 2 pi rh plus 2 pi rh, 2 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. So that will become the total surface area. For curved surface area, we need only this section. For, okay, very good. So inner surface area means inner surface area and outer surface area. But total surface area, if somebody will be asking you, in total surface area part, what we are going to do? Hi Maha. So total surface area means upside, downside, and the entire inner and outer region. That will become the total surface area. That's about circular, what you call cylindrical, cylinder, hollow cylinder. So that part we have understood. Now we will be going for the next section. Now please pay attention for cone. If somebody will be asking you about cone, so when cone section somebody will ask you, this is exactly the cone. Okay. So in the cone, okay Jasmita, now look here, in the cone section, if somebody will ask you, this is exactly the cone. I think in 3D cone is there. Yeah, cone is there. So we are going to draw the cone like this. Okay, fine. So this is exactly the cone. So if cone will be there, this will become the center, and this part will become the radius, and this part will become the height, and this part will become the slant height. Okay. So this is height, this is slant height, and this, sorry, this is height, this is radius, and this is slant height. So if somebody will be asking you, this part is always perpendicular. The distance part will always be coming perpendicular. Good evening, Satya. So what is exactly the volume? Surface area, total surface area. Okay. So what we are going to write here is slant height. What is slant height here? Slant height is L. Okay. See, slant height is L, and slant height means the sloping height. Understood? Slant height is the sloping height. So slant height is L, and here this is h, h is the height, and this is the radius. Okay. Now if somebody will be asking you about the contents related to slant height, so when somebody will be asking you about slant height, what you are going to say about slant height? See, this is coming making what? A Pythagoras. See, this is exactly right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem, and we can write here one very important point. We can write here L square is equal to h square plus r square. That is, slant height square will be equal to, yeah, slant height square will be equal to h square plus r square. That's slant height part. That's slant height part. I hope you might have understood. So this is slant height. Now surface area we are going to find, that is called as the curved surface area. So if somebody will ask you what is CSA here, then what you will say? Pi RL. CSA of cone is pi RL. What is CSA of cone? Pi RL. And if somebody will ask you TSA why? Because this section now, this is circle. So if somebody will ask you this section, what you are going to do is, this is exactly a circle. Uh, oh, oh, oh. This part is exactly what? This part is a circle. This is the base part. This circle is the base part and this radius will be there. So that means what is the area of this? The area is pi r square. So TSA means you will take the entire upper section and you will take the bottom region also. So what it will become? It will become pi RL plus pi r square. So this is exactly TSA. TSA means CSA plus base area. CSA means curved surface area plus base area. Curved surface area plus base area, that will become the total surface area. I hope till here it is okay for all of you. Yes, TSA is pi RL plus pi r square. That's it. TSA is pi RL plus pi r square. Pi RL plus pi r square is TSA. Absolutely correct. Nice. Good. Yes, very good. So now we have understood TSA and CSA. Pi RL is curved surface area and TSA is pi RL plus pi r square. Pi RL plus pi r square. Pi RL plus pi r square. So CSA plus base area is TSA. I hope you might have understood this one. So now we will understand the next part. Are you ready for it? So now listen, we are going to talk about sphere and hemisphere. Okay. So sphere and hemisphere are the two sections. Yes. Till here everything clear? Fine. Come on, say. Till here everything clear? So if somebody will talk about sphere, this is sphere. And if somebody will talk about hemisphere, so this is hemisphere. Okay. So hemisphere is half of sphere. Hemisphere is half of sphere. Yes, volume. Yeah, correct. So hemisphere is half of sphere. So if somebody will be asking you about hemisphere, what in all answers you are going to give, just check this one out. Half of sphere is hemisphere. Done? Yeah, half of sphere is hemisphere. Half of sphere is considered as hemisphere. Now we are going to talk about the surface area and volume. Okay, we are going to talk about the surface area and volume of sphere and surface area and volume of hemisphere. Now beta here na, we can't talk about the curved surface area because it's a total ball. You have the cricket ball now, so that is exactly sphere. Done? We can't cut it out. If we will cut it now, it will get converted into hemisphere. Now this is radius. You know what? This is also considered as radius. Done? So all the heights from which sections we are taking, yes Himanshu, all the heights from which sections we are taking, that is considered like that only. This is R and this is also considered as R. So when you will be solving this, when you will be solving this part, how you are going to exactly? So surface area will become 4 pi r square. Here only surface area. For sphere, only surface area will be there. There will be no curved surface area. Only surface area will be there. There will be no curved surface area. And you need to find out the total surface area. Means that's it. Not needed. Fine. If I need, I'll take it. Don't worry. So here somebody will be asking you about surface area and volume. So here surface area is pi r square h and volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube will become 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So volume is considered as 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area is 4 pi r square. Come on. And but here now for hemisphere, you have surface area, you have total surface area and then you have volume. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Understood? Yes. 4 pi r square. Are you all live? First tell me. Because you people answers are coming very late. If you will not be live means the answer will be coming late only. Yes, that's 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r square. No, 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. That's the volume of hemisphere. This is hemisphere actually. Okay. Yeah, no problem. This is hemisphere and this part is coming as sphere. Yes, that's sphere and that's answer is correct. And if somebody will ask you surface area and TSA. See, surface area when they will be asking about hemisphere. So hemisphere will have surface area and total surface area. But sphere is having only total surface area. Okay, okay, very good, super. So here, this is surface area. Surface area is 2 pi r square, and here total surface area is 3 pi r square. Remember, see, why surface area part, when they will be talking about this section, they will be talking about. So this is exactly surface area. But total surface area means this region plus this bottom region. So total together, if we are taking, it is called as total surface area. Okay, total surface area. So surface area is 2 pi r square and total surface area is 3 pi r square. I hope till here everything is okay. Hmm? Till here everything is okay. Done. No problem. Come on, say. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Hmm. Super. Nice. So this is reflecting only these many children are live. They joined, many people are joining, but they are not live. Nice, nice, nice. Sophia, fast. Check that live button is on or not. Then you will be able to understand quick, 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 quick. Hmm. Festival time. We are celebrating, correct now? So now look here. Are we ready for the question answers? Now we are going to solve the questions. Are you ready for it? Come on, say I'm ready. Because surface area and volume is little bit tricks are needed, little bit understanding is needed, and we will be able. Question, 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 question. करिए. Fine, I'll give you a question, no problem. Now come on. Now get ready for it. I'll be drawing it and I'll be explaining it. Fine. You need to solve and give me the answer. One big problem is that fan is creating so much problem. Just give me 1 minute. Huh? ऑप्शन मत दीजिएगा ऑप्शन मत दीजिएगा मतलब विदाउट ऑप्शन यू विल बी डूइंग योर विश नाउ लुक हियर this is a cone fine it's not possible to draw with this. So what I'm going to do is I'll draw down of it so that you'll able to understand. So this is the cone and this part after this is my duty to draw. This is exactly the remaining section. I hope you might have. Tarun, good evening. So now this is exactly cone is very nice. Cylinder is my work. Okay. So now look here. This is an iron pillar. Okay. Listen to me very nicely. This is an iron pillar. What this is an iron pillar. After this, tomorrow holiday, ma'am? No, tomorrow I'm going to teach. So iron pillar is there and this is exactly one cone will be there fitted with a cylinder. Okay, so the radius of the base of the cone is 8 centimeter. So radius given is 8 centimeter. So how we are writing? So this is an iron pillar. Radius of the base of the cone given is this part. Radius of the base of the cone given is 8 centimeter. So listen me very carefully. Here also circle is there here because it is aligned now. So if radius, this part radius will be 8 centimeter. Yes, sir. Say, sir, this part radius will be 8 centimeter. So this part radius will also become 8 centimeter because they both are exactly aligned, and when they both will be aligned means the radius remains the same. Next part of the question, solve questions. So radius of the base is there. The cylindrical part is 240-meter high. So this part is given as 240 meter. Sorry, 240 meter or centimeter. Centimeter high. Okay. So this section, the height part is exactly coming as 240 centimeter high, and the conical part is 36 centimeter high. Hey, but why crying? 36 centimeter high. When I had DC meeting, 3 days I gave you holiday. Then why you are crying now? Now look at that time I was crying. No, you are going to cry. Now here height of this conical section is 36 centimeter and this part is exactly coming as 240 centimeter. Then after that what they are telling that find the weight of the pillar. Oh my god, they have asked weight of the pillar. You need to find weight of the pillar, weight of the pillar, you have to find the weight of the pillar. How many of you are crying? First cry and show me. I am also crying. I am very good in crying, national winner. So find the weight of the pillar. Why you are crying? I should cry now. So find the weight of the pillar if 1 cubic centimeter of weight is 1 cubic centimeter. See, 1 cubic centimeter weight is exactly coming as 1 cubic centimeter weight is exactly coming as 7.8 gram. Chalo. Jokes apart, start solving the question, please. Directly focus into the work. I'll move from here. You solve. That's it. My work is done. Your work starts here. Come on. See, cone, cylinder, symmetry, radius 7, 8 centimeters. So here also radius 8 centimeter. 240 is the height of the cylinder, and this height is exactly coming as 36. 579. 579 what? 579 is what? You need to answer me this. 579 is what? Is exactly kg, gram, centimeter. 579 years? You have to answer in unit also, na? Answer. Because they have given 1 centimeter weight is this much. So you need to be very carefully designing it and solving it. Fine. I don't believe that answer is not correct. You need to solve it properly. See, this is a game of weight. Yeah, nice. I don't. That's not going to be answer, okay? You need to answer. First is cone and second is cylinder. So volume, make it short. Volume of iron pillar is equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. That's what now. If somebody will ask you what is the volume of a container, then how you are going to find the volume of the... Again you came. This time I'm going to block you. Listen. So if somebody will be asking you volume, so what you are going to do? Volume means the total content you have to find out. Okay. So what we are going to do here is when you will be finding the volume means you have to find the volume of the cone and volume of the cylinder. So this two volume you have to add together, then it will become the volume of the iron pillar. Okay. So volume of the iron pillar is volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. So volume of cone formula is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, but here h is the height, so you need to be very careful. You say height of the cone, take it as h1, and height of the cylinder, take it as h2, so that there will be no confusion. Children, those who are present in the group, please kindly say me hi, because I am seeing the numbers are fluctuating. If you are leaving the group, means seriously I am going to call you offline and conduct your test. After that you will only cry. I will not cry. So now look here, solve this one nicely. So pi r square h1, because h1 is the height of the cone. Okay, that's good. Now here this part, volume of cylinder is pi r square h2. So height is exactly variating, rest of the everything is same. See, so now here pi r remains the same. You must remember that r remains. Okay, so what we are going to do here is pi r square and pi r square is common. So we will take out pi r square. Very good. So pi r square we have taken out. 1 by 3 h1 plus h2 is inside. That's it. So what is radius? Radius given is 8. You just take care of this part. Radius given is 8. See, everything is given in centimeters. So you need not to change any single unit. Need to understand that. First question solving means I am explaining that part. So here r is radius is 8. Pi I am keeping as it is. Afterwards we are going to see if it is getting cancelled or not. Okay. So what we are going to do here is, it is coming as 8 square. 1 by 3, what is H1? H1 is 36, fine. So 36 plus what is H2? H2 is 240. So here 240 is coming. So this part is coming as 12. 12 plus 240 is coming how much? 12 plus 240 is coming as, so pi into 64. 12 plus 240 is 252. So 240 and 12, 252, correct? So 252 coming. Now is 252 divisible by 7? Check this one out. 252 is divisible by 7 or not? So we will check this one out. 22 by 7 into 64 into 252. So 7 3s are 21, 7 6s are 42. Done. So 22, 64, 36. Wow, nice. You have given all calculation work to me. Correct now? So this is exactly coming as centimeter cube. So this part will become the volume of the entire iron pillar. So this is what? This is volume of the entire iron pillar. But this is not the answer. You know what? What you have to find here is not the volume, you have to find here the weight. And weight is given in gram. So what they have given is 252. Yeah. 252 was the value. This part is 252. After that, what you need to do? 395.46. Approximating, if I will take, means it should come like that. We'll find. Sharmila, na? Kavya, I'll see that. Yeah. Just need to multiply here. Just 2 minutes you give. I'll multiply and give you. So 64, 22, 8, 12, 8, 12, 1, 8, 0, 4, 1, 36, 6, 8, 48, 6, 4, 24, 8, 3, 24, 12. Check to I did 50688 cubic centimeter. It is coming as 50688 cubic centimeter. It is coming, and with this we have to multiply 50688. Very good, Kavya. Calculator without calculator. So nice. 50688 cubic centimeter is the volume. Now what they have given, that 1 cubic centimeter weight is, see, 1 cubic centimeter. See, 1 cubic centimeter weight is coming as 7.8. But we need to find how much? We need to find this much cubic centimeter. So 1 cubic, like it is just like 1 chocolate cost 2 rupees. Then who will, 10 chocolate cost will be 2 into 20, correct now? 1 chocolate cost rupees 2, then 10 chocolate cost will be 2 into 10, 20, correct now? Same way, 1 cubic centimeter weight is 7.8 gram. Then this much centimeter cube means direct we will multiply. So we will write there this part. We will write this section. We will say that 1 cubic centimeter is 7.8 gram. Then 50688 cubic centimeter will be direct multiplication, 50688 into 7.8 grams. Okay, 50688, 7.8, 8864, 8864 plus 6 was 70, 768, 48, 48. 3953669. 3953669. Absolute. So 3953669. That much is, and after that 0.8 will be there. Okay. So this much gram is coming. You know what? When you will convert it into kg, you know that millicenti decigram, deca hecto kilogram, millicenti decimeter, deca hecto kilometer. That song I told now. So here gram will be just 0.3 residue shift this side. It will become 3 residue shift this side. So 395.366 kg. That's it. Story over. So 395. That gram is there. In kg, if you will be getting the answer, that means 395.366 kg. That's the correct answer. See, in examination, don't find separate because yeah, 395.4, we'll take that like that. But precise values, if you're writing means that will be better. See, understand one thing. In exams, some students are doing one thing. What they're doing is they're finding volume of cone separately and volume of cylinder separately. Then they are adding it up and then they are multiplying. Don't do like that because Khushbu, who is this person? Okay, fine. So what we are going to do is, thank you for giving me. So now look at 395.366 kg. 395.366 kg. This is exactly that part. 395.366 kg. Hmm? So this is exactly going to get the answer. Fine. We'll do the next question. Are you ready for the next question, please? Next question, ready? Everyone done? Come on, say first. What we did, volume of pillar means yes, absolute. So yeah, say volume of pillar means what? When you are asking, somebody will be asking about volume of pillar, then that particular moment, what you are going to say, volume of the pillar means volume of cylinder plus volume of cone, and then we just multiplied with the weight section and we got the answer. This is what this question is exactly demanding from you. Next question part, are you ready for it? So now we are going to solve a question. This question came in board examination. So are you ready for it, please? See, whatever questions are there which came in board examination, that should be our first priority. We'll be solving those questions because you'll get some ideas. Because nowadays, volume related questions are directly asked in case studies. Asked in case studies. Okay, fine. So now let's check this one out. What is the question given here is ice cream question, favorite question. Ready? So this is the up part of the ice cream. Now what is exactly given? 10 minutes. Okay, fine. So now look here. A right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height is full of ice cream. So definitely this is the ice cream up section. And down section ice cream part we are going to draw. Fine. Uh, it's looking very bad luck. At least little better. Success. Okay, so this is your ice cream. Now in this ice cream, in this question, what they're asking is like a right circular cylinder having diameter. So diameter of this part is given. So this section total given is this part diameter is given as what is the diameter given to you? Please remember 12 centimeter. So diameter. So we know that diameter given is 12 centimeter. Then what is radius? Radius is diameter divided by 2. That is 12 by 2. That is coming as 6 centimeter. Done. So we got radius part. This section radius part is coming as 6 centimeter. Done. So once you got radius as 6 centimeter, next what they are asking from you is they are telling that okay, so ice cream to be filled with cone, you know what is the height of the cone? The height of the cone is given as, this is exactly the height of the cone. The height part of the cone is given as 12 centimeter. The height of the cone part is given as 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter having a hemispherical shape. Correct? Done? Now what next they are asking you is, this is exactly, wait, I need to check one thing because I did not read the question fully. This much noise coming means seriously unable to focus. Fine. Now I'm reading the. Yeah, Deepavali time means crackers are bursting and sound is coming, so only this problem is coming. Fine. Shall I focus in my work? So, better look here. I'm reading the question because of noise now. Wait. I'll do only one word. Wait. No, no problem. Sound is not going to come. Now, listen. First thing is understand this question. This is the question. Question is a right circular cylinder having diameter. So this is a right circular cylinder. The diameter of this right circular cylinder is, the diameter of this right circular cylinder is 12 centimeter. So what will be its radius? Its radius is coming as 6 centimeter. Okay. Now this cylinder, okay, this cylinder is exactly full of ice cream. This cylinder is full of ice cream. Hmm? Now this cylinder is full of ice cream and exactly the ice cream is to be filled in cone. Now this ice cream is going to go inside this cone and it is exactly going to get the shape of this cone. Okay, that means this cone plus this hemisphere will be totally filled with ice cream. Done. So this cone and hemisphere is going to totally filled with ice cream. I don't need that cotton in my ears. Area of container minus area of semi hemisphere. That will not be the question. No, you need to first think. So now look here, ice cream. First you listen the question properly. After that you will be able to answer. So the ice cream is to be filled in cones of height 12 centimeter. The height of the cone given is 12 centimeter. So height of the cone given is 12 centimeter. Okay, and the diameter is exactly 6 centimeter. So diameter, total diameter of this section is given as 6 centimeter. So radius will become what? Radius is coming as 3 centimeter. Radius part is coming as 3 centimeter. After that what they are telling, find the number of such cones that can be filled. So how many cones this ice cream is going to fill? That's the question. So how many cones this ice cream is exactly going to fill? The height is this much is 15 centimeter and this is the diameter. So how many it is going to? वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइसक्रीम का टाइप अलग है वरना मैंने जो क्वेश्चन करना था उसके आधार पर कुछ और था. Okay, fine, whatever you wish. So look here, but here the question is very this question is dependent on this part only. The question is exactly very simple. This is the cylindrical container full of ice cream. Okay, now how many such cones it is going to fill? How many such cones it is going to fill? Number of cones. So see, look here total volume of this one is exactly going to go inside. Total volume of this one is going to go inside here. So such, how many cones are possible? For this one formula is there. So number of cones to be filled is equal to volume of cylinder having ice cream volume of cylinder having ice cream. Now look a bit, everybody please pay attention here. See, if total volume is there, see, total volume of the cylinder divided by volume of one cone. Total volume of cylinder divided by volume of one cone. So we are going to write volume of each cone. That's it, work over. So this will help you to find the total number of ice cream cones filled. But here you need to understand one thing. This ice cream cone volume, if you are going to find this ice cream cone volume, this is exactly hemisphere plus cone. This is what? Hemisphere plus cone. 3 cones. Answer is coming as only 3 cones. Check one time, Ovian. 3 cones is only how it is possible here. See, radius is 3 centimeter. Radius is not 6 centimeter because here the diameter of the hemisphere given is 6 centimeter. So radius will become 3 centimeter. So first we will find the volume of the entire part. So in this section, if cone is filled with ice cream, understand, Ovian, if the total part is exactly filled with ice cream, then what is the total volume? So volume is equal to volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Come on, check this one out. The volume of cone plus volume of 7 cones. 7 cones. Check one time because calculation part need to be checked nicely. So volume 1 by 3 pi r square you take common, then what will be left? 2r plus h. So this is exactly going to be, and you know that volume of cylinder will be different. Here, question statement. See, volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this section is coming 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. I have written this section. Okay. Now, volume of cylinder having ice cream by volume of each cone. So cone will be exactly consisting of hemisphere plus this part cone. Okay. So this ice cream cone will be consisting of hemisphere and that section both. If you tell your name, I will call by your name. If you will write my name, then how I am going to call you by my name? You say. So now look here. Shall we start this work, please? Now come on, check this one out. So volume of cylinder, so directly it will come because radius is coming here is, see, height is coming as, for cylinder I am writing, height is coming as 15 centimeter. Okay, and radius is coming as 6 centimeter. So height is coming as 15 centimeter and radius is coming as 6 centimeter, and exactly volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder will come what? Volume of cylindrical, first we will find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r1 square h1. Okay, so here r is what, beta? Pi we will be writing as it is. It is coming as 6 square into height 15. Done. So 6 square into height 15 is there. If you will do like this means I am seriously going to disturb you now. Yes. You change and you write your name. You are writing my name means how I am going to call you by your name. So you do one thing. You change and write your name. Then it will be easy for me to call you. Huh? Pi into 6 square into 15 by, look here beta, it will become 1 by 3 pi into, what is the radius there? Their radius is 3. So 3 square into 2 into 3 into height of cone is 12. So that is 2 pi plus h. 2 pi plus h, h is coming as 12. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. This pi and pi will get cancelled. Now here it will come 6 into 6 into 15 by 3 into, this is 3 to the 6, 6 plus 12 plus 6 is coming as 18. Okay. So 6 3s are 18, 3 5s are, and here 2. So total is coming as 10 cones. So the ice cream will be filled with 10 cones is the correct answer. 10 cones is the correct answer. Actually, volume of cylinder having ice cream, the volume of cylinder having ice cream is pi 16, 6 square into 15, and then volume of cone which is going to be filled with ice cream will become this section plus this section together. I hope everybody understood this one. See, if you will take my name and write means how I am going to tell your name. At least you say your name once. Then I will call you by your name. That will be better. Correct now? First you came by name of Archana, then you are saying you are not a girl, you are a boy, and now you are telling you are writing my name. So definitely not possible to call. But answer is 10 cones. Everybody got the answer? Come on, say. Everybody got the answer? Come on, say. Come on, quickly say. Only 10 people are live right now. Come on, say me hi as fast as possible. Yes. Okay. So it will go for the next question. Jotam is not there. So your name is Harshu. You're not a lady, you're a male, correct? So now look here. Write your name and come. Why you are writing my name? That's my problem. Now come on. We'll solve next question. Are you ready? Yes, absolutely. Satya, you are not there in the group. I hope everybody might have understood. Come on. So yeah, we'll start the work, please. Today too much distractions are there. One the sound is creating problem. Next one I'm getting diverted. So now look here. Next question we are going to do. Yes, fine. So if this type of questions are coming, how we are going to respond is, see, the first question what we did is we got the iron pillar question. There we had to find the weight. In second question, one container was there, it was full of ice cream. We shifted the ice cream to cones. And they were not asking that ki, what is the volume of one cone. They were telling that ki, how many cones we can fill there. And that part what we did, we exactly find the formula. The formula is, the formula will be, okay, the formula will be exactly written as, the formula part will be exactly consisting as a number of cones will be equal to volume of the cylinder by volume of one cone. Okay, so that is the volume of the cylinder, means the content which is full of ice cream, that part divided by the sections how many it is needed. So like this type of questions will come for your exams. They are exactly one of the most important questions, and you need to keep on solving the questions like this. Okay, I hope you might have understood. So I'll call you by your name only, Harsh. Your name is Harsh, correct? Shall we solve the next question, please? Now, one question is there. This question came in board exam. Ready for this? This question came in board exam 2012, okay, and then 2017. Okay, so these 2 years they have given this question. The question is very simple. I'm explaining it. You need to draw it and then you need to solve. They're telling that a toy is in the shape of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere on one end and a cone on the other end. So actually how it is looking like this. One cone is there on the top, okay, and cylinder is there. One cone is there at the top, cylinder is there, and then one hemisphere at the end. So cone, cylinder and hemisphere, three of them are joined together. Shall I close the class, please? Okay, all the three are together. The radius and height of the cylinder part are 5 centimeter. So cylinder part radius is given as 5 centimeter. So radius is coming as 5 centimeter and height is coming as 13 centimeter. This is exactly given. Don't laugh, okay. So here after that what they are telling, the radius of hemisphere and conical part are same as the cylindrical part. So the radius of hemispherical, so 100% this radius will remains the same, and this cone also radius remains the same. Radius is exactly 5 centimeter. So this section also radius is coming as 5 centimeter, everything aligned. Okay, Ovi, please, already I'm. Madam Khushbu. Now I'll call you Madam Khushbu. Chalo, I'm teaching you gender. Madam Khushbu, I did not did anything. Good evening, OG player. नाम तो रखो यार, क्या ये डाल करके मैं कैसे नाम ये करूँ, ये बताओ. So the radius of the hemisphere and conical part are same as that of cylindrical part. Find the surface area of the toy. We need to find the total surface area of the toy. Come on, go for it. Find the surface area of the toy. Okay, find the surface area of the toy. You need to find the total surface area of the toy. So when you have to find the total surface area of the toy, one thing is missing. Come on, I'm reading the question out. This is a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere on one end and a cone on the other. The radius and height of the cylinder part is 5 and 13. The radii of hemispherical and conical part are same as that of the cylindrical part. Find the surface area of the toy. How I'm going to teach? Why don't you come yesterday live? I had work. So only. कर लो तुम लोग सब. You made me laugh. I can't say anything. I'm in online, so I will not say anything. But seriously, something bad will come out of my mouth, means I'll come in trouble. See, total height of the toy given is, just kidding. Please don't take it seriously. I remember your last class comment. You are my half soul. I remember that day. Now look here. So radius is exactly coming as 5 centimeters. See, look here. Total height of the toy is given. Now let's see some work. Okay, fine. So I have explained this part. This is a toy. You have to find the surface area of the toy. And what is given is total height is exactly coming as 30 centimeter. Cylinder part is given as 13 centimeter. This part height is not given. Okay. What we need to find is this part height we need to find, and this part radius is 5 centimeter. So we need to first find that radius of this part is 5 centimeter, height we need to find this section. So the total height is 30 centimeter. Fine. So height of the cone first we need to find. So height of cone is equal to total height minus height of cylinder plus height of hemisphere. Okay, so please you understand this part. Total height is exactly coming as 30 centimeter. So when total height is exactly coming as 30 centimeter, this part we have to find. This part is 13 centimeter and this part is 5 centimeter. Total how much it is coming? This is coming as 18 centimeter. Total height is coming as how much? 18 centimeter. So now 18 minus 30. So total height is 30. This part is how much? 13 and this part is 5. So 13 plus 5. How much 13 plus 5 will come? 18. So 13 minus 18 centimeter. It will come as 12 centimeter. So this part height is coming as 12 centimeter. Done. Only this much we were needing. Why? Because now, yes, okay. So now what we need to find here is given they will ask surface area because everything is one by one. Yes, I saw your message yesterday. You were asking me, where are you? Now look here. So this is exactly pi RL. This slant height we have to find first. Okay, fine. So this is what? This is the curved surface area. And for curved surface area, if you remember, the formula was pi RL. So this formula is pi RL. I'll write total surface area, TSA. First to surface area, curved surface area of cone, CSA of cone. See, look here, children. See, jokes apart, we had fun, no problem. Now, listen, understand. Here, see, understand this part. This cone plus cylinder plus hemisphere. But we will not take the base because all the base are fitted one above the other now. So, we need not to find this part. Only curved surface region we need to find. Okay. So, CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay. So now what next we are going to do is CSA of cone. For CSA of cone, you need to find the slant height. Fine. So how to get the slant height? We know the formula for slant height. Come on, Maha, anyone tell me the formula for slant height? Slant height formula is L. This part is L. This section is L. So what it will become? Pi R L. So L is slant height. So now we need to find L first. So L is equal to root under h square plus r square. So what is the height here? Height is 12. So 12 square plus radius 5 square. So it is coming as 144 plus 25, which will be coming as 169. 169 is 13. Root under 13. 169 is coming as 13. That is 13 centimeters. So slant height we got. That was the only catch because still you will be getting very good Ovian. So answer is coming 770 square centimeter as the total surface area. Fine. Let's check this one out. No? It is coming or not. So here it is coming as pi RL plus 2 pi RH plus hemisphere is, we know na curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Yes. So 2 pi r square. Bingo. We got all the values. Pi is there. We'll take pi first common. So we are taking pi common. Now radius is coming as what? 5. Slant height is coming as 13 plus pi outside. So 2 into radius is 5. Height of cylinder is 13. Nice. Plus 2 pi we have taken out. So if pi we have taken out means 2 into 5 square. Now look here. Here it is coming 5, 3, 15, 65 plus 10, 130 plus 25 into 2, 50. This much is coming. So 130, 50, 180, 180 plus 180 plus 65. 180 plus 65 is 5, 6, 6, 12, 13, 14, 245. 2 into 45. 245 into 20. It gone 22 by 7. So 7 it is going to 7 3 is a 21, 7 5 is a 35. 35 into 22. So 35 into 22 means 770. Yes, absolutely. Answer is coming as 770. Yes. Smriti, happy Diwali. 770. I hope you got the answer, please. So 770 is absolutely correct answer. Yes, 770 is absolutely correct answer. Done. I hope everybody understood how many questions we solved today. Rate of solving question was very slow. I have another class. I'm going to wind up here only. Fine. Three, ma'am. Yeah, that was slow only today. Next class, we are going to do it. Gopika, very late today. What? What happened? Yesterday you told you are not coming online. You are messaging me in common chat. You are the one no, who messaged. Today, why not live class? Correct? Out of this 12th classes, then I'm going to teach vectors there. Bye bye, everyone. Fine. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you. And see, tomorrow also class I am going to keep. Tomorrow also I am going to teach. Fine. Okay. Tomorrow what we will do is we will study physics. Um, Morning time 6 o'clock. Morning time 6 o'clock is over. See, just tell me the timing. I am going to keep that class that time only, huh? If possible, I'll try to take 6 o'clock morning or 7 o'clock. But I'm having some work, so morning itself I'll finish your class. 8 a.m. Please, ma'am, miss what? You want class or you want 2 hour class or 3 hour class tomorrow? You want holiday? 10 o'clock. Wow, super. So only I did mistake, I asked you timing. If I will ask timing means you will say your convenient time. No, I'm going out somewhere. So morning itself is I'm going to take class in morning time. I'm going to go temple. So morning will be convenient, na? Holiday. Yesterday I gave you holiday. That time 3 days you got holiday. You were writing test. So how holiday was? Holiday not possible. No, holiday no. Okay, fine. Bye everyone. Enjoy your time. I'm having class with class 12. Bye bye.